Aroma Housewares Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker. The Aroma Housewares 6-Cup Cooked 1.5 Q2 One-Touch Rice Cooker is your perfect kitchen companion for hassle-free cooking. It prepares up to 6 cups of fluffy, perfectly cooked rice with just a single button press. This compact cooker features a one-touch operation, making it simple and convenient to use. The non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleanup and even cooking every time. It automatically switches to keep warm mode after cooking, keeping your rice ready to serve. The lightweight design is perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or travel. Use it for rice, soups, stews, or oatmeal. Comes with a measuring cup and serving spatula, ideal for singles, couples, or small families. Upgrade your meals effortlessly with this reliable rice cooker.